Disorganization is silently costing you hours every single week. And sadly, most solopreneurs don't realize that their Google Drive is the real problem. Or, whatever it is you use to organize things, right? It's not their motivation, it's not their content or their creativity. When your brand files live everywhere, scattered all over the place, decision making slows down, all right? Content, it takes longer to create, and consistency falls apart. All right. So today in this video, I am going to show you how you can organize your brand inside Google Drive using a simple folder system. All right. This is one that makes your business easier to run, not more difficult or more, or harder. Okay. Let's start with a mindset shift. And this is going to change everything, okay? Your brand is an asset, and assets need structure. Most solopreneurs treat Google Drive like a junk drawer, right? I know because I was there once too. Everything just gets dumped in there. I used to call myself Google Drive challenged. When everything's like logos in one place, fonts somewhere else, old Canva files mixed with new ones, and every time you need to create something, you're searching or you're starting from scratch and you spend wasted time like looking and looking and looking or recreating. Okay. That's exactly what we want to fix. All right. So, step one, create one brand hub folder. Inside Google Drive, I want you to create a single top level folder and call it something like Brand Hub or Brand Assets. This becomes the home base for every brand related decision and file, not scattered across folders, desktops, or tools. Okay. Step two, use a simple logical folder structure. Okay. So inside your Brand Hub, we'll call it that, keep it clean and minimal. For example, number one, brand identity logos, colors, fonts, brand visuals, okay? And two, messaging and copy, bios, elevator pitch, brand tone, notes, words to use, words to avoid. And three, templates. These could be Canva templates, document templates, sheets, anything you're going to repeat and use again, those kind of files, okay? Photos and graphics, brand photos, stock images, graphics, anything like that. And then reference and inspiration. Examples could be screenshots, swap worthy ideas, those kind of things. Okay. You don't need dozens and dozens and dozens of folders. You need clarity, not complexity. Okay. And then step three, store decisions, not just files. This is where most people miss the mark. Okay. They start filing things, but they miss the decisions. Your Google Drive shouldn't just hold files. It should hold decisions. So if you've chosen a brand color, you've chosen a bio version, okay, and this could even be a bio for Instagram, bio for Facebook, whatever. You've chosen a font pairing, a preferred logo. That choice belongs in your brand hub, so you don't rethink it every single time you need it. Okay. This alone is going to save massive mental energy. Step four, make Google Drive your source of truth. So anytime you're creating content, you're updating a page on your website, or you're working with someone else, with your business, right? Google Drive should be the first place you check. So when your brand is organized, and it's organized here inside Google Drive, everything else, Canva, email, social media content, it becomes faster and it becomes more consistent. Okay, so I want you to let me share something here. If you are working towards building more and more systems like this across your business, I have put together a free guide. It's actually called Systems, a Guide to Creating Systems in Your Business. All right. It's going to help you identify where structure is missing, not just about the Brand Hub, but all over, and how to fix it. You can grab that at kathyschneider.com/systems, but I'll drop the link below. Step five, I want you to keep it simple and maintain it quarterly. Okay, so this is not a one and done task. So let's just say once per quarter, I want you to do a quick check. Okay, archive any outdated files. This is really important. Update any decisions that look like they need to be done. Clean up duplicates, right? 5 to 10 minutes quarterly. It's all it takes. And this is to keep your brand system clean year round. That once you get those files organized, the next step is just as important. Documenting your brand decisions. And this is so you stop rewriting everything every time you create content. I want you to watch the next video, should be popping up on your screen here. And but if it's not, that just means that you're early because I publish a new video every Monday, okay? But in this next one, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to lock your decisions in for good. All right? So I'll see you in that next video.